Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to sign in into your Disney Plus account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to get signed in into your account, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.disneyplus.com. So once you type in the URL, you will end up in the official website of Disney Plus. So now all you need to do is simply tap on the login button on the top right hand side of the corner, and once you do this, you will be redirected to this kind of interface. So here all you need to do is simply type in the email address that has been used to create your Disney Plus account prior. So once you type it in, you need to now type in your password of your account as well. After typing in both email and password, you need to hit the login button and you will be successful in logging in or signing in into your Disney Plus account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Till then, thank you for watching and we will be back really soon.